P is moving with uniform velocity V along a straight line AB. O is a point on the perpendicular to AB at A and a distance L from it. The angular velocity of P about O is, we need to calculate the angular velocity of P about O. Initially a point P is moving with uniform velocity along a straight line AB. For suppose there is a straight line AB. Okay. P is a point moving on this straight line with velocity V. Somewhere there is P on this straight line. Okay. So somewhere there is P on this straight line whose velocity is given as V. Its velocity is V. O is point on the perpendicular to AB at A. A perpendicular to AB means, see, this is the perpendicular to AB, perpendicular at A. O is a point and a distance L from it. This distance from A to O is L. Now we need to calculate the angular velocity of P about this O. Angular velocity of P about this O we need to calculate. So how to calculate and what is your answer? So angular velocity means d theta by dt. Here angular velocity of P about O. So where is that theta? We need to locate the theta here because the angular velocity of this point P about that O. Okay. So now from this, tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent. So L by X. We need to calculate omega d theta by dt. Okay. So differentiate. From diagram tan theta is L by X. If we differentiate, derivative of tan theta is secant square theta into d theta by dt is equals to L is constant distance given into X, and see this is X as our assumption. Okay, so 1 by X means minus 1 by X square into dx by dt. Okay, so that implies what is secant square theta? Again from this triangle secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse is OP, adjacent side is X. So secant square theta is OP square by X square into d theta by dt is equals to minus L by X square into dx by dt. Dx by dt means change in X with respect to time. That change in X with respect to time is nothing but given velocity. So this is V. After that, if we cancel out that X square, then d theta by dt is LV by OP square. You just neglect that sign. Okay, minus indicates decrement and plus indicates increment. That's it. D theta by dt is LV by OP square. Finally, angular velocity omega. We are searching for angular velocity. That angular velocity omega is equals to d theta by dt, which is LV by OP square. Okay. So everybody, just follow it.